Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Ubuntu 25.04. The default browser that comes with Ubuntu 25.04 is Firefox. Open the default browser, that is Firefox. Then go to Google and search for download Google Chrome. Download Google Chrome. Then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Click on it. Then click on download Chrome. Then for Ubuntu operating systems, we have to select this 64-bit.debian package. So select it and click on accept and install. At a moment, download will be started. See, download started. See here, its size is 110 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. Show applications. Go to next page. See here we have the Google Chrome. Or if you have more applications, just search here. Okay, open it. See here, make Google Chrome as the default user or automatically send user statistics and class reports to Google. You have to select the checkboxes. At this moment, I don't want. It is up to you. Want to select them or click on unselected and click on OK. I don't want to sign in now. See, we got the Google Chrome. Okay. The last option is we have to remove the downloaded Debian package. Ls, it is not required anymore. rm, give Google, give the tab, enter ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Ubuntu 25.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.